All right, we take a look at 7 through 9, but real quick, I want to look back up here at our rules that we had. When you divide two powers of the same base, you subtract their exponents. The little thing I want to do for this one is we always want to take the bigger exponent, minus the smaller one. Right, the bigger exponent minus the smaller exponent. And the base and exponent end up wherever the bigger exponent was. Right, so an example of that. Our first one here that we had 5 to the 8 over 5 to the second, the bigger exponent was on top, so we just ended up with 8 minus 2 is 6, and it just basically stays on top. There's no fraction anymore. But if we had a problem like this, if we had x to the third over x to the ninth, for this one, the bigger exponent's on the bottom, so that means the x is going to end up on the bottom. We're only going to have a 1 left over on top. And we subtract the exponents, the bigger one minus the smaller one. So 9 minus 3, we get 6. 1 over x to the 6th power. All right, so that comes up from time to time. Let's look at number 7. For number 7, this one, x to the 5th over x to the 1st, even though it's not written there, we know that's a 1 for the exponent. We just subtract 5 minus 1, and we get 4. So our exponent's going to be 4. The bigger exponent was on top, so this is just going to be on top, and really, it means there's no fraction left. Number 8, we have x to the 5th, x to the 1/2, bigger one minus the smaller one, so 5 minus 1/2. So we can rewrite 5, that's like 5 over 1, so we multiply the top and bottom by 2, so we get the same denominator. 10 over 2 minus 1/2, we get 9/2. So our exponent's going to be 9/2. We just have to figure out where it goes, top or bottom. In this case, the 5 is bigger, that's on the bottom, so we're going to have x to the 9/2 on the bottom and only a 1 left on top. And our last one here, number 9. Bigger exponent is on the bottom again, so that means we're going to have the x on the bottom, 1 on top. We have to find our exponent. We just subtract bigger minus smaller, we get x to the 6th.